Hello for Sergio Vini. If you don't know me, I am an online marketer, expert on cryptocurrency and decentralized finance, DeFi. So I'm free since 17 years. So then what that means that it is 17 years that I don't work for anyone, okay? So this is not a presentation of Bitnest. This is a testimonial. So let me put the glasses on. I'm gonna put the disclaimer here. Okay, just a second. Okay, what I share is for informational purpose only and reflect my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrency, like any entrepreneurial activity, offer opportunities but also carry risk. It is up to you to carefully evaluate and make informed decisions. The final responsibility is always yours. Okay? So, as I told you, this is not a presentation. Okay? At the end, I will show you if you want to see what is Bitnest. So, this is just a testimonial after 5 months and maybe a few days. Okay, so I have start to share Bitnest 5 months ago, maybe 5 months a week ago, and I'm going to show you the result, and I'm going to show you how much people we have free. You know, we give them freedom. Okay, because in Bitnest you earn passively. That means that once you set up your position, you can continue to do your life, go to your job, go to your vacation, and the profit are coming on autopilot. Just remember, even if it's not a presentation, the Bitnest is the #1 ecosystem smart contract in the world. We know that smart contract and decentralized finance are born many years ago, and they are locked on the contract. You can ask to ChatGPT or Google, more than $200 billion. So this is serious business, okay? Your bank is using it, big investor using it, but you don't see all the news. Of course you don't, okay? So Bitnest has been paying the system, because there is no administrator, since 2 years and 6 months, okay? Of course, everything is said here. You can go see my video, and there is a live proof on the blockchain. And what I'm going to show you now, as I told you, you see here, this is the team, okay, that already been built just for me, waking up one day, 5 months ago, maybe in a week, and start to share this very, very powerful business that, for 2 years and 6 months, no stop, is paying no stop. You will not find one single soul around the world, because this is worldwide and nobody can stop this. This is a DeFi, decentralized financing. All happens in the blockchain. So no country, no entity can, stop that. As you can see at the number, 473 participant quantity. That means that in a Bitnest, the participant quantity, they are all earning passively. Let me repeat. The participant quantity, they are all earning passively. You'd have to recruit, you'd have to do trading, don't sleep at night, sell the ring of your wife at the wedding to keep on trading. That's the way it is, okay? That's the way it is defined, okay? So those are real results, because this is a site, okay? So what happens? Those people, they decide to start, to earn and everything. But many people, they tell me, so since they're all earning, how much they earn, okay? So as you understood a little bit, if you don't know, you go to see my presentation. Here you earn passively. So how much, it depends how much liquidity you give to the contract. You don't give that to anyone that is going away with the suitcase. And then after 28 days, the maximum amount that you keep, that you let your money work in the system is 28 days. It's not all the other business you have done, or maybe you're doing it, that they say to you, give me the money for 2 years, and then you don't see anymore the money. we all have been there, okay? So here the maximum is for 28 days. You can try even for 1 day, you can try even with $1. So those 473 people that are all earning, okay, they're all earning, how much they earn, okay? Let me show you something, okay? Because I like to show always proof, because I'm free since 17 years old here. There is a reason, because I only show proof, live proof, and what works. I don't waste my time. Maybe it's going to go like this, or maybe it's going to go this. No, I'll show you the fact, okay? So I'm gonna show you how much they earn. I'm gonna show you one person, okay, that has been following me since many years, and he started over 5 months ago to put some liquidity, and I can show you live, no screenshot like you have been, like those people from Dubai that show you and then they run away with your money. Live, I'm going to show you, okay? So those are all the position. So I go here, this is the position of this person. Of course, I'm going to blur his, wallet, okay, up here. So as you can see here, this person is been 5 times, because you see the day is 20 days. You cannot put here more than 20 days because it's a real DeFi, real decentralized finance. Nobody's going to run with your money here, okay? Your money are inside and working. You're going to see my video. You see live where the profit come from. Full stop. Okay, 20 days. This person is the 5 times that he does this cycle, and for 5 times he got $9,600 because how it works. In 13 days, you see the countdown. You see this is live. You see this is not a screenshot when you've been used to it. This is live, okay? After 13 days, on autopilot, this person will receive $49,000 and 600 in USDT, which is equivalent to dollar, automatically on his wallet. He can be working with his family on vacation. And this person has done that already 5 times. Can you calculate 5 times? Because this guy each time he takes when he receives the 49,600, he keeps the 9,000, little wages. Okay, he keeps the 9,600, and for the next 28 days, which is less than a month, he reinjects in the system where you can see transparently how the money are made, is 40,000. So until now, the time I'm registered this thing, I'm recording this thing, he's already has in his pocket, okay, not virtual or whatever, $48,000, and this is the 6th time that he does. So if we go back here to the answer, how much those people earn, it's very easy. Is how much wood you put, in the fire. It's up to you. This system, this ecosystem, which is #1 in the world, has been running transparently, securely for 2 years, 6 months and weeks. This person, he look at everything is so secure, and he go for it. So you want to understand how much he's going to earn a year, this person? $125,142, because 28 days, they do 13 cycles for 365 days. Do you know who earns no kinds of money? A bank manager of a really big bank, or an hospital director of a very huge hospital. They have studied 20 years. They work hours and hours and hours. This person, okay, because he's smart, he keep on doing his life. If he has a job, he does his job. He has a wages like an hospital director, a bank manager of a big bank. Do you try to to get the feeling what decentralized finance is. That's how much you earn, okay? So those people, how much they earn, is up to them. They see the transparency. They may have done 2, 3, 4, 5 cycle. They'll try with 1 day. They'll try with 7 days. They will try with 20 days. They cannot put anymore. Some of them, they do the compound. This is not magic. This is decentralized finance. Your bank is using it. Big investors are using it. It's all transparent. It's all secure, because those people, they don't, those institutes, they don't trust anymore the man, okay? So here's the proof, because I always only show the live proof. So if you don't know Bitnest, underneath is other proof that I show the money, because there's still people that don't know crypto, don't know DeFi. This is very, you must act, my friend, you must act, okay? So underneath every video you got the link to sign up with me, okay? If you're already expert, you use decentralized wallet. Then you got many videos that they show you. Then you got full presentation, my contact, Telegram, Facebook. After you saw the video or whatever question you got, you don't say to me hello, you say, hello, I saw this, I got this question. If you just say hello, I don't answer, because I have got followers from France, from all over the world, English speaking, Italian, and you know. What I've done for you underneath every video, I have done a huge work for you, so you can really go straight to the thing you want to check. I have split the playlist, so you got, if you want to see all the live proof, because here they all come in autopilot, your earnings and even your capital comes back. Then you got the step-by-step tutorial. So if you don't even know the word crypto, you can start here, no problem, in 5 minutes. Then you got the security insurance, because this business has insurance, like no one business you have done before. No business has insurance, okay? This one has included in your, you'd have to pay extra. Then the compensation plan, you want to see the certification, everything, the detail on the blockchain, you go there and you got many videos. And you want to see mindset, motivation. So you got everything in your hand. You see how much those people are really earning. This is not a screenshot. You see the countdown, 47, 48. We don't mess around here, okay? And that's the way it is, okay? So I wish you a lovely day. If you want to free yourself and your family, start here. Control everything first. Contact me if you have any doubt. Once you register, you contact me, say, Sergio, I can do that, then I give you more information. And before I leave, let me go back here, because they say, okay, only the team of Sergio Vini earn. No. If you go on the site, okay, you go down here. By the way, this is my site, okay? Don't make mistake. Don't try to register alone. Then if you're alone, nobody's going to follow you, okay? This is my link, okay? If you go down here and you go Telegram group, this is the only Telegram group. There is a channel also, okay? If you open, because you have to trust anyone, you have to trust just yourself, you do your research. Okay, just a second, I'm going to refresh this. Okay, this is as 195,000 people, 669. Of course, they are not all the members in the world in Bitnest, because there are many more, because not everyone joined the groups. But if you go in these groups, listen to me, because you have done something before. Here, what you find here, you never had experience. And you ask, if there is anyone or half soul that is not earning here, nobody, you will find nobody. Everyone is earning, from United States, United Kingdom, Italy, France, Germany, Singapore, whatever, okay? So it's not only me and my team who earns. Here you got 195,000 more, and there are more, okay? I wish you a lovely day. Until next time, be smart, and don't mess around with trading and things like that, okay?